What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jay, checking in with you guys real quick. And yes, we finally got the last piece to the U-Rig Pro, guys. The Ulanzi Select, the W49 LED mini LED video light. We have two of these, so let's just take a look at the box. This is what it looks like on the box. I'll pull one up. 3-code shoe mounts used on gimbals, perfect for filming. They both say the same thing. And we got two of these, guys. So let's pop these open real quick so this video won't be so long. So when you open them up, you are first greeted with the Ulanzi Vlog Master Plan Facebook giveaway Tuesdays, ideas for products, and co-design with us. So pretty much a card in the box. Just something for you to, just some good information for you. Let's move that off to the side. And let's dig into the box. Take both of these out. And here at the bottom of the box, in each one, move these boxes off to the side. It's just your, typical, instructions. So just to make sure they both look the same. Yep, they both look the same. Both of the instructions look the same. Give you guys a quick pass on that. That's what we look like. Let's move that off to the side. And then let's get into the actual packaging. Okay, so now we take this. We have that light. And we got this light. And both of these lights, obviously you can mount these on the U-Rig. And on top of that, you have your on and off right here. It's just a rotating dial. And they both take AA batteries. So what I'm going to do real quick, guys, is grab some AA batteries and turn one of these on for you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I was able to put some batteries in these. And how these actually work is you put the batteries in and then you just turn it. Now, it's going to be pretty bright because I turn it on just to be certain that they work, but they're pretty bright. So you turn them on like this, just like that, and that's what they look like. And this is like a really bright setting. It goes even brighter, but I'm not going to do that because it's going to probably blind you guys, but I just wanted you guys to see it. Let's do it this way. Maybe if we stand it up this way so you guys can see that, how bright they really are. Turn them up to max brightness. Really, really bright, guys. Really bright. Turn them back off. So that's really bright. But anyway, guys, so I just want to do a quick unboxing. It's time for me to get up out of here. I just want to do a quick unboxing to show you guys that we have the final piece to the puzzle, guys, to the puzzle. So probably what I end up doing is I put it all together. I test the rig and play with the rig a little bit. And then I have it all put together. I come back and show you guys what it looks like all put together. And then we'll go and do a couple of tests with it and so forth and so on. So stay tuned for that video. But anyway, it's been your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you can always be notified when I drop any new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.